श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक दुसरा मूर्ख लक्षणांचा. समास सातवा सत्वगुण लक्षण.
Dashak 2 Signs of Fools. Chapter 7 Sattva Quality. Shri Ram.
मागा बोलिला तमोगुण, जो दुःखदायक दारुण. आता ऐका सत्वगुण, परम दुर्लभ.
In the last chapter, the quality of tamas is told, which is very painful and horrible. Now please listen to the quality of sattva, which is very rare.
जो भजनाचा आधार, जो योगियांची थार. जो निरसी संसार, दुःख मूळ जो.
This sattva is supporter of devotion, helper of yogis. It liberates us from worldly life, which is full of sorrow.
जेणे होये उत्तम गती, मार्ग फुटे भगवंती. जेणे पाविजे मुक्ती, सायोज्यता ते.
By this quality, we can advance to higher stages and reach the path towards God and achieve complete freedom.
जो भक्तांचा कोवसा, जो भवार्णवींचा भरवसा. मोक्ष लक्ष्मीची दशा, तो सत्वगुण.
This is the protector of devotees, the only thing worth trusting in the ocean of world, and is the state of the glory of liberation.
जो परमार्थाचे मंडन, जो महंतांचे भूषण. रजतमाचे निर्शन, जयाचे नी.
This is the glorification of the spiritual path. This is the ornament of spiritual authorities. And by this, the rajas and tamas are discarded.
जो परम सुखकारी, जो आनंदाची लहरी. देऊनिया निवारी, जन्म मृत्यू.
This is the source of very high happiness. This, by the tides of bliss, removes the chain of births and deaths.
जो अज्ञानाचा सेवट, जो पुण्याचे मूळ पीठ. जयाचे नी सापडे वाट, परलोकाची.
In it, the ignorance comes to an end. This is the original seat of spiritual merit. By help of this quality, we find the way towards the spiritual path.
ऐसा हा सत्वगुण, देही उमटता आपण. तये क्रियेचे लक्षण, ऐसे असे.
Such is the quality of sattva. When it becomes evident in the body, the following kinds of actions take place.
ईश्वरी प्रेमा अधिक, प्रपंच संपादने लौकिक. सदा सन्निध विवेक, तो सत्वगुण.
The man then has more love for God and performs his worldly duties as a matter of social routine. And there also he is always aware of everything properly.
संसार दुःख विसरवी, भक्ती मार्ग विमळ दावी. भजन क्रिया उपजवी, तो सत्वगुण.
This sattva makes us forget the suffering of the worldly life, shows the straight path of devotion, and gives an impetus to devotional activities.
परमार्थाची आवडी, उठे भावार्थाची गोडी. परोपकारी तातडी, तो सत्वगुण.
When there is liking for spiritual path, when the mind is fond of religious sentiments, and when a man is very eager to help others, that is the quality of sattva.
स्नान संध्या पुण्यशील, अभ्यंतरीचा निर्मळ. शरीर वस्त्रे सोज्वळ, तो सत्वगुण.
A sattvic man is very particular to take daily bath and offer prayers. In performing good actions, is very pure of heart, and his body and clothes are very clean.
येजन आणि याजन, आधेन आणि अध्यापन. स्वये करी दान पुण्य, तो सत्वगुण.
Sattvic man himself does the sacrifice, helps others to perform sacrifice. He himself learns continuously and also teaches others, and himself always earns the merit of charitable offering to others.
निरूपणाची आवडी, जया हरिकथेची गोडी. क्रिया पालटे रोकडी, तो सत्वगुण.
It is the quality of sattva when a man has liking for listening to the stories of God and enjoys the discourses of such subjects, and there is immediate change in his actions.
अश्वदाने गजदाने गोदाने भूमिदाने नाना रत्नांची दाने करीतो सत्वगुण.
A sattvic man is busy in giving things to others: horses, elephants, cows, lands, jewels, etc.
धनदान वस्त्रदान अन्नदान उदकदान करी ब्राह्मण संतर्पण तो सत्वगुण.
A sattvic man gives money, clothes, food, water, and gives dinner to who need it so that they are contented.
कार्तिक स्नाने माघ स्नाने व्रते उद्यापने दाने निष्काम तीर्थे उपोषणे तो सत्वगुण.
When a man observes ceremonial baths in the months of Kartik and Magh, when he observes spiritual significant regimen of dieting and fasting, goes to places of pilgrimage without selfish ends in mind, gives in charity, he is the man of sattva.
सहस्त्र भोजने लक्ष भोजने विविध प्रकारीची दाने निष्काम करी सत्वगुणे कामना रजोगुण.
Sattvic continue. A sattvic man who is rich enough gives dinners to thousands of people, gives various kinds of things as offerings and presents, and does all this most unselfishly. Otherwise, if he is having some ulterior and selfish desire in doing so, it becomes a rajas action.
तीर्थी अर्पी जो अग्रारे बांधे वापी सरोवरे बांधे देवालये शिखरे तो सत्वगुण.
When a man makes in the places of pilgrimage an arrangement to give certain regular offerings, who constructs temples with high domes, digs wells and tanks for public utility, it is the sattva quality.
देवद्वारी पडशाळा पायरिया दीपमाळा वृंदावने पार पिंपळा बांधे तो सत्वगुण.
If a man constructs places for rest for visitors at temples, builds stairs or vertical columns with series of lamps, the platforms of stones around the sacred trees, it is a sattvic quality.
लावी वने उपवने पुष्पवाटिका जीवने निववी तापस्यांची मने तो सत्वगुण.
If a man develops gardens, sanctuaries, flower beds, provides water supply, and gives solace to the minds of ascetics, it is his sattvic quality.
संध्यामठ आणि भुयेरी पायरिया नदी तीरी भांडार गृहे देवद्वारी बांधे तो सत्वगुण.
A sattvic person builds suitable places like monastery for observing prayers, digs tunnels or constructs steps near rivers or storehouses for temples.
नाना देवांची जे स्थाने तेथे नंदादीप घालणे वाहे अलंकार भूषणे तो सत्वगुण.
Sattvic person makes arrangements for keeping lamps lit in the temples and offers ornaments for the images of God.
जेंगट मृदांग टाळ दमामे नगारे काहळ नाना वाद्यांचे कल्लोळ सुस्वराधिक.
Sattvic person provides for various instruments of music and percussions, mridangams, cymbals, tals, drum, big and small, and flutes and other string instruments.
नाना सामग्री सुंदर देवाळई घाली नर हरिभजनी जो तत्पर तो सत्वगुण.
If he supplies various beautiful articles and apparatus in temples and is very earnest in the devotion to God, he is of sattvic quality.
क्षेत्रे आणि सुखासने दिंड्या पताका निशाणे वाहे चामरे सूर्यापाने तो सत्वगुण.
He offers for God in the temple umbrellas, ornamented staffed umbrellas, palanquins, flags, and other pieces of auspicious decorative nature for processions of the image. It is his sattvic quality which encourage him to do so.
वृंदावने तुळसीवने रंगमाळा समार्जने ऐसी प्रीती घेतली मने तो सत्वगुण.
Sattvic man builds platforms around tulsi herb, arranges decorations by crushed stone powder of various colors, and he has great love for doing such things.
सुंदरे नाना उपकरणे मंडप चांदवे आसने देवाळई समर्पणे हा सत्वगुण.
Sattvic man offers in the temple various beautiful articles, various seats, pandals, and hanging showpieces.
देवा कारणे खाद्य नाना प्रकारी नैवेद्य अपूर्व फळे अर्पी सद्य तो सत्वगुण.
The man of such piety offers the best kind of food, very sweet things, and rare fruit for God.
ऐसी भक्तीची आवडी नीच दासत्वाची गोडी स्वये देवद्वार झाडी तो सत्वगुण.
The sattvic man has such a devotional love towards God that he is ready to do any low type of work, like sweeping the gates of a temple.
तिथी पर्व महोत्सव तेथे ज्याचा अंतर्भाव काया वाचा मने सर्व अर्पितो सत्वगुण.
When there is any auspicious day or a number of such days, a week or a festival, the man of sattvic quality takes very active part in these ceremonies and does all the work with body, speech, and mind.
हरिकथेसी तत्पर गंधे माळा आणि धूषर घेऊन उभी निरंतर तो सत्वगुण.
If a man is eagerly waiting with perfumed pastes, garlands, incense, and is very keen in listening to the stories of God, it is his sattva quality.
नर अथवा नारी येथान शक्ती सामग्री घेऊन उभी देवद्वारी तो सत्वगुण.
It is sattvic quality of the men or women who stand patiently at the gate of the temple in order to offer various things to God according to their might.
महत्कृत्य सांडून मागे देवासये लागवेगे भक्ती निकट आंतरंगे तो सत्वगुण.
When a person leaves any important work behind and rushes to the temple of God with great ecstasy of devotion, it is sattvic quality.
थोरपण सांडून दुरी नीच कृत्य अंगीकारी तिष्ठत उभी देवद्वारी तो सत्वगुण.
When a person sets aside his social status, accepts any lowly job at the temple, and very patiently stands at the gate, it is his sattvic quality.
देवालागी उपोषण वर्जी तांबोल भोजन नित्य नेम जप ध्यान करितो सत्वगुण.
A sattvic person readily leaves his habits of eating bitter leaf and eating rich foods and observes fast, does regular type of jap and meditation.
शब्द कठीण न बोले अति नेमीसी चाले योगी जेणे तोषविले तो सत्वगुण.
Such a man does not speak harsh words, is very punctual in his habits, and pleases yogis.
सांडूनिया अभिमान निक्काम करी कीर्तन श्वेद रोमांच स्फुराण तो सत्वगुण.
Such a person, dropping all his pride, selflessly sings in praise of God and becomes overwhelmed with ecstasy in his devotion.
अंतरी देवाचे ध्यान तेने निडारले नयन पडे देहाचे विस्मरण तो सत्वगुण.
When he meditates on God, his eyes remain fixed and his body awareness is forgotten.
हरिकथेची अतिप्रीती सर्वथा नये विकृती आदिक प्रेमा आदि अंती तो सत्वगुण.
Such a man has deep love for the story of God. There is never any deviation in his love which is great in the beginning as well as at the end of his story.
मुखी नाम हाती टाळी, नाचत बोले ब्रिदावळी, घेऊन लावी पाय धुळी, तो सत्वगुण.
He utters the name of God and claps his hands. He dances and describes the great deeds of God, and he picks up the particles of dust at the feet of saints. He respectfully touches it to his forehead.
देहाभिमान गळे, विषयी वैराग्य प्रबळे, मिथ्या माया ऐसे कळे, तो सत्वगुण.
When sattva prevails, man has no pride of his body. He has no desires for objects of sensual pleasures, and he realizes that all appearances are false and illusionary.
काही करावा उपाये, संसारी गुंतो न काये, उकलवी ऐसे हृदये, तो सत्वगुण.
By sattva, a man thinks, what is good in being caught in this daily life? I should do something to free myself from this. And thus there is a sense of release in his heart.
संसारासी त्रासे मन, काही करावे भजन, ऐसे मनी उठे ज्ञान, तो सत्वगुण.
By sattva, the mind of man becomes bored with mundane life, and there is an awakening in his mind to be the devotee of God.
असता आपुले आश्रमी, अत्यादरे नित्य नेमी, सदा प्रीती लागे रामी, तो सत्वगुण.
When a man is a householder, or whatever may be his calling in social structure, he is respectful, regular, devoted to God Ram. That is the sign of sattva.
सकळांचा आला वीट, परमार्थी जो निकट, आघाती उपजे धारिष्य, तो सत्वगुण.
When a man is fed up with all worldly people and is very keen in the path of spirituality, he is very brave and courageous when calamity strikes. That is the sign of sattva.
सर्व काळ उदासीन, नाना भोगी विटे मन, आठवे भगवत भजन, तो सत्वगुण.
When a man is fed up with all worldly people and is very keen in the path of spirituality, he is disinterested in all mundane affairs, tired of sense enjoyments, and his mind remembers only devotion to God. That is sign of sattva.
पदार्थीन बैसे चित्त, मनी आठवे भगवंत, ऐसा दृढ भावार्थ, तो सत्वगुण.
His mind is not attached to anything. His mind is very deeply devoted to God. That is the sign of sattva.
लोक बोलती विकारी, तरी आदिक प्रेमाधरी, निश्चय बाणे अंतरी, तो सत्वगुण.
People say that he is eccentric, but his love for God goes on increasing. That is the person of sattva.
अंतरी स्फूर्ती स्फुरे, सस्वरूपी तर्क भरे, नष्ट संदेह निवारे, तो सत्वगुण.
When sattva prevails, there is inspiration, and mind grasps the inner reality. All doubts are simply wiped out.
शरीर लावावे कारणी, साक्षेप उठे अंतःकरणी, सत्वगुणाची करणी, ऐसी असे.
By sattvic quality, a man thinks that he should make good of his life by employing his body for good works, and his mind becomes awake.
शांती क्षमा आणि दया, निश्चय उपजे जया, सत्वगुण जाणावा तया, अंतरी आला.
When a man is peaceful, has pity and forgiveness as well as determination, one should recognize that this quality of sattva.
आले अतीत अभ्यागत, जाऊ नेदी जो भुकिस्त, येथान शक्ती दान देत, तो सत्वगुण.
A sattvic man does not allow guests to go without food and gives them something according to his capacity.
तडी तापडी दैन्यवाणे, आले आश्रमाचे निगुणे, तया लागी स्थळ देणे, तो सत्वगुण.
It is the effect of sattva that whenever any poor and destitute persons come with hope at the door of his house, He gives them shelter.
आश्रमी अन्नाची आपदा, परी विमुख नव्हे कदा, शक्तीनुसार दे सर्वदा, तो सत्वगुण.
A sattvic man never allows a guest to go without giving him something, even though there may be shortage of food in his own house.
जेणे जिंकली रसना, तृप्त जयाची वासना, जयास नाही कामना, तो सत्वगुण.
One who has controlled his tongue, one whose desires are satisfied, one who has no lust is a man of sattva.
होणार तैसे होत जात, प्रपंची जाला आघात, डळमळीना ज्याचे चित्त, तो सत्वगुण.
It is but natural in life that anything may happen. So saying he does not allow his mind to be disturbed in any calamity. That is sattvic quality.
एका भगवंता कारणे, सर्व सुख सोडिले जेणे, केले देहाचे सांडणे, तो सत्वगुण.
One who has left all desires for pleasures and in order to search for God forgets the comforts of his body is a sattvic person.
विषयी धावे वासना, परी तो कदा डळमळीना, ज्याचे धारिष्ट्य चळेना, तो सत्वगुण.
One whose steadiness of mind is constant in spite of various desires for sense objects is a man of sattvic quality.
देह आपदेने पीडला, क्षुधे तृषेने वोसावला, तरी निश्चयो राहिला, तो सत्वगुण.
One whose devotion to God is not lessened even though he may have physical ailment or even if he is suffering from great pangs of hunger or thirst.
श्रवण आणि मनन, निजध्यासे समाधान, शुद्ध जाले आत्मज्ञान, तो सत्वगुण.
When sattva is prevalent in life, a man is interested in listening, meditating, concentrating on the inner reality and has right self-knowledge.
जयास अहंकार नसे, नैराशता विलसे, जयापासी कृपावसे, तो सत्वगुण.
One who has no ego, his state of having no hankering is very evident, and kindness is his natural quality, is a sattvic person.
सकळासी नम्र बोले, मर्यादा धरून चाले, सर्व जन तोषविले, तो सत्वगुण.
A sattvic person speaks with humility to all, conducts his life within the norms of social etiquettes, and gives satisfaction to all people.
सकळ जनासी आर्जव, नाही विरोधास ठाव, परोपकारी वेची जीव, तो सत्वगुण.
He is very straightforward with all people. There is no place for opposition in his mind, and he likes to help others even by staking his own life.
आपकार्याहून जीवी, परकार्य सिद्धी करावी, मरोन कीर्ती उरवावी, तो सत्वगुण.
A man of sattva always thinks that even more than his own work, the work for other people must be successful. Thus, he has fame which survives him.
पराव्याचे दोषगुण, दृष्टीस देखे आपण, समुद्रा ऐसी साठवण, तो सत्वगुण.
When a man does not look for defects in others and contains within himself everything like an ocean, it is the quality of sattva.
नीच उत्तर सहाणे, प्रत्योत्तर न देणे, आला क्रोध सावरणे, तो सत्वगुण.
It is by the influence of sattva that a man meekly listens insulting words but does not retort or become angry.
अन्याये वीण गांजिती, नाना परी पीडा करीती, तितुके ही साठवी चित्ती, तो सत्वगुण.
People harass him even if he has not committed any injustice and trouble him in various ways, but he bears silently everything in his mind. This is due to his sattvic quality.
शरीरे घीस सहाणे, दुर्जनासी मिळो न जाणे, निंदकास उपकार करणे हा सत्वगुण.
A sattvic man often undergoes physical suffering silently. He takes care to be liked even by evil persons and obliges even his critics.
मन भलतीकडे धावे ते विवेके आवरावे, इंद्रिये दमन करावे तो सत्वगुण.
It is a sattvic attitude by which a man controls the mind, which generally runs here and there and has control over his senses.
सत्क्रिया आचरावी, असत्क्रिया त्यागावी, वाट भक्तीची धरावी तो सत्वगुण.
It is sattvic desire to perform good deeds, to drop bad ones, and to follow the path of devotion.
जया आवडे प्रातस्नान, आवडे पुराण श्रवण, नाना मंत्री देवतार्चन करीतो सत्वगुण.
The man of sattva likes to bathe early in the morning, to listen to reading and recitation of religious books, and to worship God by reciting various mantras.
पर्वकाळी अतिसादर, वसंत पूजे सतत्पर, जयंत्याची प्रीती थोर तो सत्वगुण.
Such a man has earnest desire to observe ceremonies on auspicious occasions, worship during the summer season, and to observe birthday ceremonies of great persons.
विदेशी मेले मरणे, तयास संस्कार देणे, अथवा सादर होणे तो सत्वगुण.
If anybody dies in a foreign land and there is nobody to do the necessary rituals for disposal of that body, a sattvic man undertakes this out of pity and offers his services.
कोणी एका समारी, तयास जाऊन वारी, जीव बंधन मुक्त करी तो सत्वगुण.
If anybody is beating somebody else, a sattvic man goes and prevents this from happening and liberates human beings or creatures concerned from bondage.
लिंगे लाखोली अभिशेष, नामस्मरणी विश्वास, देवदर्शनी अवकाश तो सत्वगुण.
A sattvic man has faith in worshipping Lord Shiva by preparing crores of lingams, does continuous sprinkling of water, milk, etc. on the image. He has faith in remembering the name of God and finds enough time to go to temples for a glimpse of God.
संत देखो निधावे, परम सुख हेलावे, नमस्कारी सर्व भावे तो सत्वगुण.
Such a man of sattvic qualities hurries towards saints, is overjoyed to see them, and bows down before them with all the respect.
संत कृपा होय जयास, तेने उद्धारिला वंश तो ईश्वराचा अंश सत्वगुणे.
A man who is blessed by saints has really liberated all his family and can be said to be a God's man by virtue of his sattva.
सन्मार्ग दाखवी जना, जो लावी हरिभजना, ज्ञान सिकवी अज्ञाना तो सत्वगुण.
A sattvic man guides people towards path of righteousness. He teaches them devotion to God and gives knowledge to the ignorant.
आवडे पुण्य संस्कार, प्रदक्षिणा नमस्कार, जया राहे पाठांतर तो सत्वगुण.
A man who likes to have good influence on meritorious actions, who takes reverential rounds in the temple, bows before the idol, and generally has good memory to reproduce what he has learned, is a sattvic man.
भक्तीचा हव्यास भारी, ग्रंथ सामग्री जो करी, धातुमूर्ती नाना परी पूजी तो सत्वगुण.
A man who has tremendous eagerness for devotion, who has good stock of books or writes many books, who worships God's image made of metal, is a man of sattvic quality.
झळफळीत उपकरणे, माळा गवाळी आसने, पवित्रे सोज्वळे वसने तो सत्वगुण.
A man of this quality has all his utensils and instruments of worship in good condition. Garlands, seats, clothes are all of very good quality.
वर पीडेचे वाहे दुःख, परसंतोषाचे सुख, वैराग्य देखोन हरिख, मानितो सत्वगुण.
Such a man is unhappy by the unhappiness of others, happy to see others happy, and is pleased to see persons who are desireless.
परभूषणे भूषण, परदूषणे दूषण, परदुःखे सिने जाण, तो सत्वगुण.
It is the quality of sattva which feels honored by the honor of other people, feels dishonored if others are insulted, and due to compassion feels sorry because of sorrow of others.
आता असो हे बहुत, देवी धर्मी ज्याचे चित्त, भजे कामना रहित, तो सत्वगुण.
This seems like enough of the description. In short, one whose mind is towards God and religion and whose devotion is unselfish is a sattvic person.
ऐसा हा सत्वगुण सात्विक, संसार सागरी तारक, येणे उपजे विवेक, ज्ञान मार्गाचा.
Such is this sattva quality by which there is discretion to follow the path of knowledge, and thus it is the liberator in the ocean of this worldly life.
सत्वगुणे भगवत भक्ती, सत्वगुणे ज्ञान प्राप्ती, सत्वगुणे सायोज्य मुक्ती, पाविजेते.
By sattva, there is devotion to God, there is acquisition of knowledge, and achievement of total freedom.
ऐसी सत्वगुणाची स्थिती, स्वल्प बोलिले येथामती, सावध होऊन श्रोती, पुढे अवधान द्यावे.
So, I have described the state of sattva according to my knowledge, and I request that the listeners may kindly give attention to my further discourse.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे सत्वगुण नाम समास सातवा श्रीराम.
Thus, in the second dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this seventh chapter, by name Sattva quality, is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.